Hello everyone, this is the another video by Flash Trade 1 where you can see that I'm updating one of the real account. This account has been updated in past for 8 times and as of now it is the ninth update of this account. In all the previous 8 updates you can verify the first order ID of this account, which is 40606015, and through this first order ID you can confirm that the account that I'm showing in ninth update as of now is the same account which I have shown in previous 8 updates. So let's go to the previous update of this account, which was update 8, and it was made on Feb 1st 2021. Today the date is 9th of February 2021. Almost 8 days. After 8 days I am updating this account, and you can see each of the updates one by one and verify that how patiently we have been traded on this account. 28,000, 33,000, 42, 51, 61, 66, 71, last 82,000. And as of now, during the ninth update, the profit on the account has been increased to the profit on the account has been increased to $91,119. Also, you just keep checking the lot size of the account, which is kept constant during entire trading. You can see the first trade on this account was placed with one lot size. Here the one lot size is kept common. Sometimes it has been increased to 1.2 to 1.4, 1.5, 2 lot size 2.1. So lot size bigger than 2.5 is not traded on this account. So we can say that here we are trading with fixed lot size. The last trade was with 1.4 lots. Here the entries are done precisely through our support, demand and our trend indicator. You can see that this is the trend indicator and this is the support and demand indicator, and here the trades are placed precisely based on that. Here we are trading CAD related pair, JPY related pair, then Euro related pair, GBP related pair and CHF related pair. So majorly this the currency pairs related to these currencies are traded on this account. Also here the holding is made, it's done on the account. There is no scalping. So we use the M15, M30 and H1 time frame to trade on this account. In update 1 and update 2 you can verify the live order being placed on this account, and you can see that how Flash Trade 1 owns the trading access of this account. Now let's check the statement of this account, which is deposit of $100,000. We have seen account trading started on 3rd of December 2020. 2 months completed, 2 months plus 6 days completed on this account. Real accuracy of this account where total trades placed on the account is 2364, where profitable trades are 1564 and loss trades are 800, with accuracy of 66.1 on this account. Break even point of this account is 49.5. So we are doing far better on this account. Risk reward is maintained 1:1. Monthly profit on this account is $45,000 with 40 to 50% dollars. ROI each day profit one can assume to be 1300 to 1500 on this account. You can see that the risk on this account is 4.5 percentage. So we do not promise our client to give the accuracy of 80%, 90% with just accuracy of 66.16%. we have been able to make the profit on this account. Now you can check this updates with previous, where you can see that Previous time the real accuracy of the account was 65.5, now it's 66.1, so accuracy has been increased on the account, which is the good thing. Break even is 48.0, now 49.5, which has been increased. Here the break even must be decreased and real accuracy must be increased. Here real accuracy increased as well as break even point increased, so the trading on the account is being maintained. Neither it is been trading has been improved, neither the trading has been destroyed. So trading is constant on this account. Risk reward is 1:1, which is maintained on this account. Now as we have seen that the deposit on this account is of 100,000. Balance of this account, profit on this account is 91,200. Let me take the round figure. So total ROI of the account becomes 90%, 90 to 92% on this account. Monthly ROI comes out to be 45 to 50% on this account. And let's just see and we have seen the risk on the account is 4.5%. Fixed lot size has been traded on this account of 1 to 2 lot size maximum. This all things comes into the category of conservative risk, where you can see that the risk is 3 to 5%, our risk is 4 to 5. Risk reward 30 to 50%, you can see ours is 45 to 40%. Here the lot size of 0.01 to 0.04 is not maintained, but just because the capital on the account is also even 100k, so we need to choose the lot size based on that. So here we are trading, so one thing is confirmed, that here we are trading with fixed lot size, not compounding lot size. Fixed lot size of 1 to 2 maximum on this account, and we are not following this 0.01 to 0.04 just because the account capital is bigger. So 0.201 to 0.04 will not work, and so we are trading here with 1 or 2 lot size. No profit reinvestment strategy has been applied on this account, as we are trading with conservative risk, and conservative risk is always traded with fixed lot size, no compounding lot size, and so the no profit reinvestment strategy on this account. So if you have any query regarding this account, then you can ask our WhatsApp or Telegram executive. You can also be the part of conservative risk trading on your account, and can get the same kind of profit on your account too within 1 month. We'll meet in the next video. Hope this video was useful, and you can also get the same kind of profit in your account by joining our mirror trading service. Goodbye, take care, and have a happy trading.